Hey everybody, nope, find the light. There it is. Ooh, yeah. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at one of my favorite places here on earth. This is IAA in TULSA. Yeah, we are back doing some very entertaining walk around videos. A big shout out to everybody inside the facility right there. The nicest people in the world work here at the IAA facility. Fun people, and they give me a hard time every time I come in and every time I leave, which I think is fantastic. Speaking of fantastic, do I have a car for you? Yep, do I have a car for you? Look at this green machine. My dad used to say that all the time. I don't know why. He never had anything that was green, but everything was a green machine. I to this day don't even understand that. But 2017 Chevrolet Camaro with the Go Fast stripe and a lovely shade of green. What do you guys think about this? This is a collision type loss. Looks like the Transformer movie, doesn't it? This is an RS. I can see if that's the original bumper. Looking for damage. Okay, here on the passenger side, we start to encounter some damage. So we have a little bit right here on this fender. Something got the wheel right there. This is like plastic coated. It rubbed the emblem right off, and then we have a little swoosh, and then a dent right there. So it hit something, and then it kind of went down the side, and it hit this a little more, and then we have some more damage. Nothing major on the wheel. Tires are all holding air. This might be salvageable. I mean, you get somebody who's good with PDR, and they could just pop that out. This, could you heat it up? Possibly. There's your clip. Your clip is still there. This clip is still attached. You could maybe even save this. Maybe a little PDR right here. Buff this out, maybe. You could get away with very little work on this. Okay, then a little ding right here. Nothing major. This still works. Nice. Let's check the fitment of the door. Okay. Nothing major. It started to rub a little bit right here. Kind of a generic black interior. We do have power. Boop, see that? Okay. So that's a good sign. You could save some money on this vehicle right here. I don't know if we'd be able to save the front fender though. So you may have to find this in green, which would be so much fun. Yeah, how many green Camaros were made back in the day? You want to see what's under the hood first? There it is. Okay. Oh, fancy, powerful. Yeah. No. Here we go. Oh. I found some glasses. Look at this. Okay. Does this... Oh. Whoa. This person had some... Holy moly. Can you see? Look at that. Wow. Is that better? How do I look? That's what I'm looking... Yeah. Those are some good readers right there. Holy moly. This comes from La Custom Shop from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Turn it around. Turn the camera around. You can see that right there. Yeah, this is just your... But okay. Well, I think it's still a cool car. Nothing special under the engine. Under the hood. 2017, so everything should still be good. Okay, you got the nice orange coolant right there. We'll put these inside just in case the person comes back looking for this. Yeah. All right, let's go check out the passenger compartment. Here we go. Like I said, we do have power. It's just your cloth seats. Remote left in vehicle. Yes, it's still attached right here. Look how fancy they're getting with the cables to hold on to all the keys. That's pretty cool. Okay, engine start. Oh, this car. This is nice. What's on the radio? 103. Oh, good. Some classic rock. There you go. Hood is open. We know that. This is really comfortable. Let me close the door so we can enjoy the air conditioning. Okay. $98,539 miles. So just under 100,000 miles for a 2017. So in 6 years. I'm just kind of going through everything. This just kind of screams rental car for me. It's just a very basic, nothing super fancy. Air conditioner works good. Kind of a Camaro. I like the steering wheels like this. This is nice. We do get a sunroof. Okay. That's all right. So what do you think about this? Look at how you adjust. Ah! You turn the ring to adjust the heat. Okay, that's kind of a fancy. See how that works? I like that. And your fan speed is this one. Oh, that's pretty ingenious right there. Okay, we're going to give you some bonus points for that. That is nice. Engine runs good. Everything's fine here on the inside. Everything's going to work, even your windows. Yeah, look at that. You don't get a whole lot of room to see out. I mean, they're very small windows. And that C-pillar is a killer. Yeah, you don't get to see very much out that side of the car. But you might be able to save some money. So if you are in the market for a V6 Camaro in green, Goblin green, this could be the car for you. I like it, but does it scream Monkey Wrench Mike? No, I don't think so. So we'll keep looking. You know, this just occurred to me. You could also pick up a matching 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 if you are so inclined. But look, it's a perfect match. Well, okay, the color is a little muted compared to the Camaro right there. But yes, all kinds of motorcycles here too. This one, she got put down on this side and that side. There's some nice little touches here and there. That's kind of cool. You know, my daughter actually rides these. Yep, I got one of the coolest daughters. I have two daughters. One of them rides motorcycles, which makes her pretty cool in my opinion. This got put down on both sides and she broke her handle. But if you're in the market for, look, I mean, really look at this. Motorcycles, ATVs, here's a trailer you could easily fix. Everything you could ever ask for, you're gonna find out here. All right, let's keep, oh, Mercedes. No, Mike, no, we're not, we cannot do another Mercedes. Well, I just couldn't help myself. Yep, 2023 Mercedes Benz in honor of my duck named Benzo, who crab walks like a car that's been in a crash. This too has been in a bit of a crash, and it looks pretty bad. I don't know the extent just quite. Yes, of course it's going to be a collision loss. Let me see. It doesn't have the mileage listed right here. So here you go. This is your problem area. You need a door. You probably need two doors. Okay, this door doesn't look like it's closing properly anymore, so this could get expensive. It's a little C300 4MATIC. It's a good looking color. It's a different color. I like it. Let's just take a look at the inside and see. Okay, well, see how this is, this door. This car could have some structural, oh, okay. Yeah, this is why you want to come out here and kind of open the doors and look at this. See how this is pushed back so far? And this is all beat up. So it's going to be very difficult to get a good seal right here. Well, that's why. So this took a pretty good crash. It must have been parked or something because I don't see any airbags that are... Oh, it's got a nice interior though. Yeah, none of the airbags went off. Well, let's jump in and just see what it's like. Yeah, I had a Mercedes ML that had the same damage right here, except it was right up here. And so I went to a body shop and they said, well, if you pull me this piece from there up to here, we'll just weld it in. And they charged me, you know, $1,400 for that. And it was the worst welding job I'd ever seen. The car had like a little air leak You could hear a little whistling when you're driving on the highway. They just completely took advantage of me, and it took them probably 4 or 5 months to even do that. Oh my. Okay, well, this is nice. Let's just see if she's got power. She does.
XM app and listen on your phone when you get out.
Oh my goodness.
Anywhere you take your phone, you
Okay.
can see Howard Stern, NFL Radio.
Let's see if we can.
Free music channels from nearly every genre. You never have to miss your favorite Sirius XM programs or commercial-free music. Find the Sirius XM app in the App Store or call.
I'm trying to find the volume here
or visit SiriusXM.com
to make it quiet.
to find out more.
Here we go. There it is. Look at this though. Okay, these don't have stellar reputations, but this is cool. This is very, very different. This right here, I like the wood with the little trim, chrome piece right in here. This is nice. Automatic climate control. I don't want 83. Oh, look how it changes. Low, low, automatic. Come on. AC is on. Give me the. Here we go. Now we're cooling things off. Look at the display here. Oh, look at the display here. You've got 2 cup holders. Lots of room for stuff here, a couple of ports. This is really pretty nice. You got a gigantic, look at that, sunroof. You got 2 of them, in fact. Let's see if we can figure out how to close these. That's the light. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, you just hold it. You swipe your finger and hold it right there. So it's not really a button, it's a swipe. Well, that makes a huge difference. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, what do you think about my little Benzo? And here's your engine. In case you're wondering about the mileage, 796. That's all. 796 miles on this car. And it was already in an accident. I'm sorry, little girl. So the engine is brand new, the car is brand new, and yet it's very, very old. It was a good looking car though, it really was. This likes to wobble. Okay, well, there you go, 2023 Mercedes Benz C300 that looks like a nice car until she walks right beside you. And finally, how about a 2012 Cadillac SRX? I have been looking for one of these, and I chose this one because the interior is very, very nice, and because it reminds me of my duck Benzo. It's white and it's got a little waddle to it. Okay, as far as damage goes, we bumped into something right here. Not major. I like the pearl white paint. I thought that was a good thing years ago. Has this been repainted maybe? That looks a little bit off, so we could have some previous damage on her. There's a little bit right here as well. Oh, okay. Well, I think she's been painted. Yeah. Look at this. This is overspray right here and here. This is why you want to come out and check these vehicles out at the IAA, because this stuff is not going to show up in a picture. So this has been painted, and if you look, I got my sunglasses on, but if you look very, very closely, it feels rough, and it's just, yeah, I guarantee this is a different color. We'll open the hood just to see. The other reason I chose it, because like I said, it waddles like my duck. Yep, Benzo, the female duck, is not physically perfect. I think she has some disabilities and she walks kind of weird, but I love her just the same. I really do. Some damage back here. Right here, we're kind of rubbed. Now I'm kind of wondering what else has been painted on the vehicle. This has been beat up. See, if you look around the trim and around these little bits right here, you can usually find paint marks where they painted, they taped it, and they Sometimes did a better job, sometimes they didn't. Okay, that's been hit as well. Okay, she's got a very, very interesting backstory going on here. She may have had a hard life. Let's look at the inside and we'll pop the hood. So we do have power. The driver was very small. Oh, look how the Cadillac sign, look at that. The emblem kind of comes to life right there in the middle of the dash. That's a nice little touch. See, I like the brown. I like the brown and the tan. It's different than just black, basic old black. We got 5 PSI on the front tire. Change engine oil soon. This car has 108,000 miles. Let's turn on this AC system right here. There, you could hear it engage. Are you gonna work? 8 speeds on the fans, okay. Come on, baby, cool off, cool off. It's a nice driving position. It is. Let me back this up a little bit. And you get a really, really big sunroof. Look at that. I want to close this because that helps save the interior. There it is. Look how fancy that is. Yeah, it's going to keep things cooler. Because you never know how long these cars are going to sit here. Sometimes they're here for months and months and months before they're eligible to be bid on. Back seat is nice. You get some parts right there in the plastic bags. You probably get your car carpet covers right there. Floor mats, otherwise known as, and we just received a check engine light. There we go. So let's kind of open up the hood and see what's going on here. Here we go. Well, it was white, so they just kind of repainted it white. Yowza. Okay. It's got a lot of scratches on it too. Damage down here. I don't see much. 100,000 mile engine. Oil filter is there. She does run a little bit rough. I'll give her that. But not too bad. I mean, I'm not afraid of it at all. It's just the paint on the hood. All right, well, what do you think about this one? It's kind of a grandma car. There we go. That, yeah, you step back, and the further back you get, the better looking she gets. That is going to do it for this video, folks. Thank you very much for following along. Found 3 pretty cool cars, kind of iffy cars at that, but I do want to say thank you for watching. Thank you and welcome to all of the new subscribers. The channel is taking off. It's fire, as the kids say. And that's okay with me. Bring them on. We're going to hit 50,000 very, very soon, which is a huge thing for me. So I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me on this journey. It has, and a journey it's been, yeah, it's, woo, it has been crazy, okay? Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye.